Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the vehicle to supply the charging pad. Turn the key to ACC or press power so accessories activate. Next, remove metal coins and cases thicker than 3 mm because they block the coil and reduce charging efficiency. Once done, locate the pad in the center console area and clear dust or pockets of debris so the surface is flat. Place your phone gently in the pad's center. Alignment matters more than force. And don't move the phone while it negotiates a charge. After you place the phone, focus on precise alignment. Slide the device an inch forward or back until the phone shows the wireless charging icon. Phones often reposition internally to find the coil. Make incremental adjustments rather than large motions. Check both the phone's indicator light and any dash or infotainment message confirming wireless power. If the phone drops to slow charging or stops, make sure no power-saving mode is active on the phone and reconnect. This ensures the phone accepts the standard charge profile from the. Complete the process by securing the phone so bumps do not break alignment. A light grip or anti-slip mat helps. If charging fails, first reseat the phone centrally, then restart the phone to reset wireless negotiation. Many issues resolve with a quick reboot. Make sure the car's accessory power circuit remains on and fuse is intact if persistent. As one key troubleshooting tip, try a different, known compatible phone to isolate whether the pad or the original device is the problem before seeking service.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.